everyone, this is Julia and
your boy Tonino,
owners of
Kizomba Phoenix,
where we make
learning Kizomba fun and easy.
If this is your first time here,
we recommend you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tips, tools and tricks and material.
If you like this video,
we recommend you sign up for our online Kizomba bootcamp or online Kizomba intensive course at kizombaphoenix.com.
If you have questions or feedback,
we love to hear from you. Make sure to comment it in the section below.
Also, don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell notification so you can be the first one to watch our videos.
In this video, we are going to cover who we are.
I'm going to start. I am Julia. I was born in the heart of Transylvania, Romania, and I started Latin dancing, salsa, bachata around 2014. I also started taking urban kids classes back in Europe, which are very popular over there. Once I came to America, I was introduced and started learning more about the culture of Kizomba, and I found out it is very suited to my personality. I love fashion, I am all into aesthetics, beauty, and I find this dance very elegant. That's why my goal is to inspire you and to give you my perspective on the dance and also provide tips that can help you become a better dancer.
And my name is Tonino, originally from the VERDE Islands, born in Dakar. I came to the States about in 1994, where I joined the military immediately. Did that for 20 years, and towards the end of my career, I found out about this thing called Kizomba. I grew up dancing Passada, so it was just natural for me to fall right into Kizomba since I spent most of my life dancing Passada. And here, my goal is to inspire as many dancers as possible to hopefully become a great dancer and maybe even better dancer than myself. We hope you enjoyed this course, and if you have any questions, make sure you contact us so we can better help you.
Thank you so much for watching,
and we'll see you in the next video.